Is there a sealant for cracked windshield? Yes, temporary windshield repair sealants exist. Apply UV-cured acrylate resin to chips up to 25 millimeters and cracks up to 7.5 centimeters. The resin bonds glass layers, halts crack growth, and maintains clarity for several months. Replace the windshield if damage blocks vision or exceeds these limits. Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass provides expert sealant application services. Their technicians assess the crack size, clean the affected area, and apply high-performance sealants designed for durability and clarity. This process restores windshield strength and supports safer driving conditions. Prompt professional treatment ensures optimal results. Contact Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass to protect your windshield and avoid further damage. Call us now at 56224-21840 or visit www.norwalkmobileautoglass.com.